underwear felt like they was about to come off. Shit,
Peace. Okay, so we are supposed to be taking a train to go to Brooklyn, but honey, I think we lost.
What it do, boo? Okay, so I am waiting for my oldest daughter to come down to the train station. And as I was waiting, honey, so let me tell you something, okay? Jersey City, New Jersey, downtown, honey, it is gorgeous, okay? And I was hearing all this music, so of course I wanted to be nosy and see what was all the commotion about, okay? So I came across this place. Look how gorgeous it is, okay? The Hudson River, okay? It may not be the cleanest, okay? But this view is given Japan, is given China, okay? I don't know who was the architect for this, okay? For these table things, the umbrella things, honey, is given China, all right? Okay? So as I'm walking, honey, I'm turning around because I'm trying to see where the music is coming from, okay? And I get to this phenomenal place. See, fitness be calling my name. It really do. It really be calling my name, okay? So as I'm walking, I see this fitness instructor, okay? And 4 other people, honey, working out. So I had to go over there and ask them what was really going on. So I had networked, and me being a content creator, networking, I mean, is everything, okay? I mean, you better get out of that comfort zone. And so I went over there and I was asking them, like, you know, what was going on. And the lady told me that the instructor have classes every Saturday and I believe Monday, but Saturdays at 10 a.m. So for sure, I definitely be there this coming Saturday. Okay, now let's get into it. Okay, so down here it was Indian wedding, and honey, I was trying to record, but not trying to be so obvious in recording, because some people don't like to be on camera. And so I was pretty much really being nosy, okay? And as I was recording, I was trying to make my way to the little Indian party, okay? There you see it, all right? And that's like, I guess, like the booth or whatever it is. This thing was interesting. I never seen this. So this basically tells you, you know, how the sun is rotating and things of that nature. And honey, here we are at the Indian wedding, okay? And honey, we head into Brooklyn, okay? So my oldest daughter I finally met up with them, her and her boyfriend. And let me just say, the World Trade Center was definitely crowded today, okay? This is the most I have ever seen it, like, this crowded. Okay, so this train ride, it definitely was fun. I had fun today. Like, I really enjoyed myself. And you know the funny thing about life? This is the funny thing. So, earlier, when I had got up, right, it's so true that you decide how you want to spend your days, okay? And I had the choice to keep on thinking about things that appear to be going a certain way in my life, or I also had the choice to enjoy my life, enjoy my day, and do something that was different. And this was definitely different. Catching the train to go to Coney Island, honey.
Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so we finally arrived, okay, at Coney Island. It's a bit crowded, which is to expect because we in New York, right? Or even not, because it's hot as heck, so this is what to expect. Honey, let me tell you something, okay? Now, I'm covered with my towel, okay, because I believe my drawers, these swim things are too doggone little, okay? Okay? Listen, when you come to the beach, okay, enjoy your life, all right? Because honey, people ain't paying attention to you. They in their own little world, okay? And if they are paying attention to you, then that means they just all up in your darn business, okay? And it's not their damn business, okay? So make sure you guys enjoy the video. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Ooh, this sand too hot. Where you want to? It don't matter. I'm sorry. Huh?
That's right, you can stand there. Just stand like,
You can't?
stand there.
Take
Stand
it.
there.
Take it.
We already did, but we allowing you to this time. Go ahead, run to that water. You gotta run, you gotta run, you gotta run.
Go on, man. Okay.
Okay, honey. So the water, it feels so good. No, thank you. One of the things I'm gonna say is there's a lot of hustling going on over here. Okay, which I'm not mad. Okay. And my oldest daughter, she's in the water with her boyfriend. Well, actually, she's coming over here now. I want to leave this with you guys. Okay, wherever you are, make sure you enjoying your life. Okay. You get one life in this avatar, okay? And you want to make sure you enjoying it.
When it comes to visualizing, I am a big fan of that. Honey, right here, I am thinking I am in Bali, okay, and Fiji. Try to tell me I'm not on somebody's island.
All right, honey, I'm gonna go in a little deeper, okay? Now, I remember when I was in Chester, right? The all girls home. If you guys are new to my channel, I talk about a program that I used to be in when I was 13 years old, okay? So they taught me how to swim. And you know, like, you like, damn, do I swim good? I had an ex of mine who said, you don't know how to swim, okay? But I'm gonna go a little deeper in the water, okay? Just a little bit. Just a little, okay? Pepper?
Bumblebee.
Oh, bumblebee. Oh, well. Honey, this drink right here, I think it was $3, and then I had got me a veggie burger. But one thing I would never do again is leave the house without bringing my fruits. Because normally when I come to the beach, I love bringing fruits like watermelon, mangoes, and stuff like that. And I did not bring it this time. So the food wasn't that bad. Like I said, this was $3, and then my burger, a veggie burger, was $8.75. So that wasn't bad, like $16. But this drink is really good. This is the mango drink. But I said I should have got the fountain drink, because this drink, $3, and the one my daughter got is, honey, is big. Okay, honey, I gotta get another drink. That little drink is too darn little.
Okay, so adding the condiments on the veggie burger, it definitely tasted different after I did so, and it didn't taste as good as prior to me adding condiments.
it look like it's right now.
Okay, so fun fact about me. For some reason, whenever I eat burgers, okay, it's one of two things. Either one, I'm turning the burger around to the opposite side than the way that I first bit into it, or two, I'm breaking the burger apart. I don't know. I've been doing that ever since I was a kid. Like, instead of me eating the whole burger, like, just like this, like, I gotta break the burger apart.
What time you want to leave? What time you want to leave?
Before it start raining.
When do it supposed to start?
It start at like.
Oh, at 3? So then you want to get ready to go? If he said he want to leave before it starts raining. Damn, it's a veggie burger. It looks so close to me.
Like a chicken patty.
You see the texture? Maybe it's soy. I'm not gonna eat the rest of that. You said what?
It tastes like it.
No, it don't. The texture is just like it, but I don't want to have to use the bathroom and wait on the train. Because that would be. How was your burger?
A little fun. It was dry. It needed some ketchup.
Go ahead. Peace family, okay, listen, I'm not mad about a little hustle, okay? So, the people out here, they have lizards and snakes, and you could take pictures with the lizards and snakes, okay? It's $5 to take the picture with them. I said, honey, I'm about to come out here and bring some pigeons and tell the people they could pay $3 to take a picture with the pigeon, okay? Honey, it's a bit much. Oh, okay, family. So it's been real. We are about to leave because I think it's about to rain. It looks cloudy, and I think it's supposed to rain like 3 o'clock. So we are about to head out. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Make sure you let me know how you liked it. Leave some comments. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Peace.